Did you know that every neuron in your brain has a single long extension called an axon? This structure, much thinner than a strand of human hair, stretches out from the neuron's main body and serves as a highway for electrical signals, ensuring smooth communication with other neurons. But here's something fascinating. Axons come in different lengths depending on the type of neuron. Some are just a millimeter long, while others, like those connecting your brain to your spinal cord, can extend over a meter in length. Imagine how efficiently they transmit signals across such long distances. To enhance communication, axons develop side branches called axon collaterals. These branches further divide into smaller extensions, ending in synaptic terminals, tiny but crucial structures that help in passing signals to the next neuron. Now, neurons don't physically touch each other. Instead, they communicate across synapses, which are incredibly small gaps, just 20 to 40 nanometers wide, between the axon terminals and the receiving neuron's dendrites, or cell body. Here, something amazing happens. Electrical signals traveling down the axon are converted into chemical signals through the release of neurotransmitters. These chemical signals then transform back into electrical impulses in the next neuron, allowing the transmission to continue. But how do some neurons transmit signals faster than others? That's where myelin comes in. Some axons are wrapped in this fatty insulating layer, which speeds up the signal transmission process. Myelinated axons are especially common in neurons that connect different brain regions, forming what we call the brain's white matter. Now, here's an important fact. When an axon is damaged or degenerates, neuron to neuron communication is severely affected. This plays a key role in neurological disorders like motor neuron disease, MND, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Since axons are much longer than the main body of a neuron, they need a constant supply of essential molecules. Scientists have discovered a gene called MEC17, which helps maintain the axon's internal structure and ensures proper transport within the neuron. If this gene mutates, it can lead to axonal damage and neurodegenerative diseases. But there's hope. Researchers studying the tiny roundworm C. elegans have identified proteins involved in axon degeneration. When an axon is injured, it sends signals to surrounding tissues to clear away the damage, accelerating its breakdown. Interestingly, blocking specific molecules can slow down this process, which could potentially reduce nerve damage. And here's the most exciting part. Scientists have also found that injured neurons send out a save me signal, triggering repair mechanisms. In experiments, researchers were able to modify this process, opening new possibilities for treating nerve injuries in humans. So, axons are not just passive messengers. They are highly dynamic structures, playing a crucial role in everything from thought and movement to memory and disease. With ongoing research, we're getting closer to unlocking new treatments for nerve related disorders.